Hello friends, many of times you guys just get annoyed. Why? You want to read some book, you want to download some book on internet. You have either required for payment or you can download or only download or read just few pages. So today I am giving you a solution, a website from where you can download almost all your books. Okay, so just go to the site. It is zlibrary.sk. Okay, so click here. So now the book you want to download, you can search it but by its title or author. So suppose I have to download Sapiens. Okay, this is a book by Yuval Noah Harari, very famous book. And when I press the enter key, here the different books are here. It's showing that I have already downloaded this book. These are in EPUB, PDF format, EPB format. So here this website give you an option. Okay, suppose you do not log in on this website. So in a day, you can download only 3 books maximum. Okay, and also suppose I'm giving you an example. You are downloading this Sapiens. The published year is 215. Sorry, 2015, and the language is English, and the format is EPUB. So when I click on this book, this EPUB format. So here is the option that you can convert into in these different options, in these different formats. Suppose I am converting it into PDF. So since I have a login account, my book is converted into PDF and it started downloading. So if you do not have a login, you cannot convert this. Okay, so do login and download your book. Okay. Also, you can search it by the author's name, like Yuval Noah Harari. Noah Harari. So I am searching by the author's name. So here about more than 500 books. Homo Deus, Sapiens, in different language. About all books of Yuval Noah Harari will be shown here and you can download. Okay. So login do not require for payment. Okay. Just by login you can increase the amount of book downloads in a day. Without login you can download only 3 books. But with login I think you can download about 5 or 10. I think 5 books. Okay, and also can convert into readable format like PDF. You don't go to another site for converting them. Okay, so try this. This is amazing site, very helpful for students, researchers, the people who want to read different things can go on this site. Okay, so thank you. Have a nice day.